What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? All right, market's looking good. Nice little 180 from the debacle that was yesterday's crash due to, I wouldn't even call it a crash. It wasn't that bad. It wasn't really that bad, but call it a crash for lack of a better word on the Bybit news, the hack and all that stuff. So, we're not going to rehash all of that. But the market has done a complete 180. We are back to where we were before we had that crash in the first place. So things are looking good. Things are looking up. I mean, Bitcoin needs to be a little bit higher, but altcoins have recovered mostly from where they were before that pullback. So let's have a look around the market. Let's see what's going on. Jasmy up 1.6% on the day, down 4.4 on the week, 17.5 down on the month, and 65.2% up on the year. Even in rank at 79, a $1.03 billion market cap and 33 million in volume. Swift coin down 4.3% on the day, 19.9 on the week, 109% up on the month, and 382% to the upside on the year. 15 spots down to 287, $156 million market cap, and 10 million in volume. XCN, a little more of the same, down 3.3% on the day, 21 on the week, 5 on the month, but up 936% on the year. Down 6 spots in rank to 119, $584 million market cap, and 84 million in volume. Zebec, we love our Zebec. Up 15.6% on the day, 69.4 on the week, 129 on the month, up 19 spots in rank to 311, $139 million market cap with 22 million in volume. You love to see that. You love to see that. Let's look at some charts, guys. First, we're going to look at Bitcoin. Then we're going to go over to Jasmy because Bitcoin and Jasmy are so extremely correlated, so identical in price action. It's crazy. Bitcoin's trying to make a recovery here, 96,600, which is great. We got to get back up over the 100-day SMA. However, back over 97,900. Can we do it today? Yes, it's possible, but I doubt it will happen until next week now. Maybe we get a good push from the bulls over the weekend or tomorrow on Sunday for the weekly close. That's going to be very important. Let's have a look at the weekly, actually. Where are we? So here's the good news, guys. We do have a green weekly candle. It's kind of a spinning top candle right now on the weekly. It's a neutral / green candle. Can we get this candle to close a little bit higher? I'd like to see it close above 97,500, which is only about $900 up from where it is right now. Can that happen over the next 24 hours? Absolutely it can. Absolutely it can. So we're going to stay up to date on that. We'll watch the weekly close tomorrow to see what happens. Let's go have a look over at Jasmy. Exactly the same thing happening. Look at the consolidation. It's embarrassing. Green, and then yesterday's candle. So today we're struggling, but we're green. That's what matters, guys. Let's put in a green candle today. Sitting at 2 cents, 128. I would like to see a little bit of a climb higher, but for now, we sit, we wait, we wonder, right? That's all we can do. See what Bitcoin does over the weekend. Let's go look over at XCN. Having a little bit of a curve to the downside right now at 1 cent 785. I've been telling you guys for about a week that we're probably going to see XCN and Swift coin sweep the lows at 1 cent 5, 1 cent 4. But there seems to be a whole lot of buying pressure on XCN in this range. And it can't seem to drop any lower. They're trying to push it down, but it just doesn't seem to want to go any lower. So it might not be a bad time to be dollar cost averaging. Obviously not financial advice. You do you, boo-boo, but, And Swift coin, exactly the same thing here, guys. As you can see, like I said, just kind of ping-ponging. Let's get rid of this range. Just kind of ping-ponging sideways downwards now. We're sweeping the lows at 1 cent 5 right now. We could realistically, guys, we could come down to this level here, as it was a significant level of support quite a ways back, right? So we could see that drop down to around, what is that, 1 cent 3, 1 cent 3.2. We could see that pull back to that level, but I don't think it falls any lower than that, to be honest with you. It might hold where it is now, but I think that that's going to be our that's going to be a sweep of the lows right there. I think that if we wick down to that, that would be perfectly okay with me. So that's what I'm watching there. And of course, Zebec trying to break out as we speak. Check Zebec out, guys. Let's refresh the chart, make sure it's 100% here. Look at this chart, you guys. Look at it's literally Zebec is literally breaking out of its symmetrical triangle right now. It's bull pennant. It is breaking to the upside. What we want to see right now is we want to see this daily candle close on the breakout here, right? Because then what we may be able to see tonight, if we close here, we could see a little bit of a retest of the top of the trend line. And then we could make this move up to this range here, which is where, I mean, we're going to have some resistance right here, obviously, right, guys, at 2021. But if we break through that on this breakout up here to 2025 is my next target on this breakout. So Zebec currently trying to break out. Keep an eye on this, guys. This could get wild tonight. It could, if the breakout happens, it could get wild tonight. So very excited for that. All right, a couple of things to have a look at here. Zebec guys, Labs ecosystem with the Zebec cards. Very, very bullish, guys. Massive thank you to 852 whatever Web3 and yeah. So Zebec supporting this festival with the Zebec cards, guys. Partnered with MasterCard. You love to see that. What else do we have? A little bit of XCN news, guys. What do we have here? The wallet numbers have officially reached, the holders have reached 41,000, guys. We have jumped up 4,000 holders in just a matter of like a week and a half, guys. The buyers continued, the new wallets continue to grow. Absolutely bullish, guys. Very, very bullish. Also, going back over to Zebec here, check this out. I just thought this was hilarious, guys. Look what they did with their profile picture here. They put the American flag in there. Why did they do that? Why do you think they did that? Why do you think they did that? Because they're an American company. They have the Made in USA tag. A very strong chance that they could be put in the World Liberty Financial portfolio. Very, very possible, and not possible, but guaranteed essentially that these Made in America projects are going to have an advantage in the US and in the entire crypto space moving forward in crypto. That's why they're doing this. They're making sure it's very well known that they are an American-based company. Genius plan, in my opinion. Right, what else do we have? We have a quick clip here from NeoXtrix, and then we got one last update from Onyx Coin. So check this out, guys. Neo says Toyota's Woven City. We've covered this before, guys. Smart City, Woven City, right? Has opened its doors to the media. Big data will be at the heart of the infrastructure, and the following technologies will be deployed: autonomous mobility, AI, robotics, smart urban infrastructure, smart homes, and clean energy. Now, this is in Japanese, so I'm going to pause and read what they're saying. It's only 48 seconds long, so bear with me on that, guys. Very, very bullish. Listen up to this. It says, as a part of the Woven City, which is under construction by Toyota Motors Corporation, Jasmy's partner, yes, has been opened to the media. This is Toyota's Woven City. From here, you can see buildings that are planned for people to move into. Woven City is a demonstration city being built by Toyota in Shizuoka. Probably butchered that, but check this out. This is pretty cool looking. Looks like out of a movie or something. Engineers and others will become residents and demonstrate the latest technologies such as autonomous driving and social infrastructure will be conducted. At today's completion ceremony, Toyota chairman Akio Toyoda attended. The roads and traffic signals for conducting demonstration experiments were
公
unveiled.
式には豊田章男会長が出席し、実証実験を行うための道路や信号機などが公開されました。秋から段階的に
Starting this autumn, approximately 360 stakeholders are scheduled to move in gradually.
に関係者らおよそ360人が入居する予定です。トヨタ自動車が
So there you go, guys. The smart city, the first official smart city, woven city, Toyota city, coming to fruition, guys. Jasmy's technology at the heart of its infrastructure, guys. Everything in the city is IoT. I wouldn't be shocked if the trees were IoT. All right, this is big news. People will be moving in the fall. This is happening, guys. This is happening. And people who don't understand this and call Jasmy a scam, man, are you behind the times? Are you behind the times? And finally, what do we have for Onyx coin, guys? You have 8 days remaining until the Goliath mainnet launches. Like I said, in due time, we are setting a new high. Big things coming for XCN, guys. If you are bullish, I promise you, you're not bullish enough. Listen, guys, if I asked you right now that if I could offer you access to our entire community, right, over almost 1,900 people now, right, where you get access to the free Patreon Discord as well, which we've now created for Patreon members. You get to book one-on-one coaching sessions with me. You get to join our live video calls that we do, and we actually open up a live video window every Friday night for about 5 or 6 hours, where everybody just kind of hangs out and chats and has a good time. And you could get in early on all the gems that we have. We just dropped a gem there the other night. We're actually looking at 6 other gems right now, guys, that we believe are going to pop off like crazy. Yeah, and we do live streams over there every evening as well. So, like, guys, you got access to everything. There's no charge for the one-on-one coaching AMAs. There's no charge for the Discord, right? You get all of this stuff, right? And all I want from you is to buy me a Happy Meal. That's it. Buy me a Happy Meal, guys. It's the price of a Happy Meal. While these other content creators are charging between $100 and yes, $1,000, you can jump over and check this out for the price of a Happy Meal. And if you don't like it, you're free to go. You can look at it, you go, you know what, this isn't really for me, guys. But I can promise you 2 things. One, you're going to learn something that's going to help you be a better trader and a better investor moving forward. And 2, once you become a part of our community, guys, and you talk to everybody there, you get a feel, you start understanding how much you're going to be able to learn and how much help everybody has there, you're not going to want to leave. Okay? So check that out. I challenge you to check it out and tell me that you don't like it. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.